I'm Alistair Ross, President and CEO of Rockcliff Metals Corporation. Today's short video has been attached to the press release announcing the metallurgical and ore sorting characterization test work results that are just in on our Bur deposit. Before we get into that, just a brief history for Bur on those new to the story. It's a growing deposit for us. We're quite excited by the size that we got there. It's over 4 kilometers long now. We haven't drilled it off at depth. It's open in all directions. And as you will see from those press releases we pushed out earlier in the year, the results on the assays continue to show pretty decent grades there too. More recently, we announced that we've earned in 100% on that property by meeting the 3 million expenditure mark on our option from Hudbay. They do have a 1-year buyback right to August of next year, where they can get 70% of that. And obviously, we'll wait and see what happens there. But we're pleased that we're now the 100% owners of that property for sure. And there'll be no joint venture attached to this. And then the final piece, of course, is today, part of our earning on that option was some metallurgical and ore sorting work, just to make sure that when we characterize the ore body, is it worth spending more money on going into the future? And the results are a resounding yes. We have some really good ore sorting results. It seems that we can get rid of approximately 25% of the rock mass from a resource envelope. That means we're going to ship 25% less mass that would head off to the mill, and obviously lower any potential operating costs should a mine be developed there on both transportation, milling, and tailings impoundment. So big upside there with 25% of the mass not going in that route and not getting any of those costs. And then finally, the recoveries using the same reagent suite that we announced for Tower, Talbot, and Rail. We've managed to get very good separation of the copper and zinc. We've got good recoveries given that they're open circuit at the moment. We didn't do any closed circuit testing. And the grades of concentrate produced are very good. They're saleable concentrates. And the scans on them have come up showing very little deleterious metals that would be of any impact should we try to market them in the open market. So all good news. And it means that Bur could be a big win for Rockcliff going forward. We remain very excited by it. So in the meantime, please everyone stay safe. COVID's certainly coming back at us, and we advise everybody to follow your local protocols. And we look forward to updating you soon on further news from Rockcliff. Bye-bye.